All right, these are your 7-7 notes. Pause this, take a minute, and write down the equations for slope-intercept form, standard form, and point-slope form. When you're done, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to go from 2 points, like down here at number 1, to go from 2 points to y equals mx plus b, the shortest, least painful way. So there are 4 steps. The first step is to label your coordinates, x1, y1, x2, y2. Step 2, use the slope formula to find the slope, or the m. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 will equal your m. Then we're going to put it into point slope formula, and it's this one right here. Y is what we used on Friday. And then from there, solve it for y equals mx plus b. So get all that written down, and then we're going to go down and look at number 1 and number 2. Okay, step 1 said to label the parts, x1, y1, x2, y2. Step 2 says to solve this for the slope. M equals y2, -3, minus y1, 5, over x2, which is 1, minus x1, that is 3. If you type that straight up in your calculator, you would get a 4. So now I want you to circle that 4, and I want you to circle your x1, y1. We are going to use y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. We're going to use this formula to solve. So instead of y1, I put in a 5. Instead of the m, I put in my 4. Instead of the x1, I put in my 3. Okay, I'm going to distribute. Y minus 5 equals 4x minus 12. Add 5. Y equals 4x minus 7. What done. If I were to graph that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I go down to 7. I'd rise 4, run 1. Shoo, that's bad. All right, and that would be your line-ish. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for number 2. Step 1, label x1, y1, x2, y2. Those are ones. All right, m equals y2, 5 minus y1 is a 4, 0 minus -1. If you type that straight up in your calculator as a fraction, you will get a 1. Circle your x1, y1, and your 1. And now we're just going to put it into the point slope formula. Instead of y1, I'm going to put in my 4. Instead of the m, I'm going to put in my 1. And instead of the x1, I'm going to put in -1. Now, x minus -1. 2 negatives turn into a positive. That way it's easier to deal with. We'll distribute. Y minus 4 equals 1x plus 1. We will add this 4. Y equals 1x plus 5. If we were going to graph it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, rise 1, run 1, and that would be that graph. Okay, so follow those steps and that information, and I need you to do these 4 problems on the back, solve them, turn them into y equals mx plus b, and then graph them, exactly like what we did on the front. Thank you.